sound behind me.
EVP session, Matt, Mitch, second floor.
Is there anybody down here? If so, come talk to us. My name is Matt. This is Mitch. You've been seeing us around here all night. We'd like to meet everybody that's here. Get to know your names, what you did here, why you were here. If somebody is here, can you please make a noise for me? Because there's bells in that room, ain't there? On that door
I
here.
think it's on the door. Right there.
Yeah. If you're down at the end of the hall, make a noise for us or come down and talk to us. You hear that? Did you just make that loud bang noise? If that's you, do it again, please.